So, my dear students, today I am once again before you with the matter of the lesson The Sound of Music. Previously, we discussed and we learned a lot of about the sensation, realization, and feeling of music. After that, we learned about the musical tools, and it came to our knowledge in what way Pungi was banned in the court of Aurangzeb, and we also got a very good knowledge that in what way Pungi was reformed and got its next name Sehnai. We also discussed our third point is to discuss today is about a legend musician named Bismillah Khan. My dear, previously it came to our knowledge that in what way the person got his nickname Bismillah Khan, and it also came to our knowledge that in what way Pungi was named Sehnai. Today we shall discuss more about the achievement of Bismillah Khan. As we know that, my dear, Bismillah Khan was a great musician, especially he made a good signature in playing of Sehnai. It is very nickname. It is played on very auspicious occasion of wedding, and with the help of textbook it has come to our mind that what were the achievements of Bismillah Khan. My dear, he was a living legend of Indian culture. He not only played Sehnai but enriched Indian culture. You will surprised to know that when he was offered to settle in USA, he completely denied and said, I shall not get the holy river Ganga, holy temple of Vishwanath at Vanaras, and from where shall I get the holy mutt of Dumrao? These are the words of Bismillah Khan. What make us a lot of surprise and make us bewildered to think about him. Today I am here to share our view about the achievement of Bismillah Khan. In 1938, he was appointed as a regular Sahnai player at All India Radio in Lucknow. And since then, he made his position very firm in classical music. After that, as our nation is too much gratitude, it is grateful to the achievers. Our nation awarded him with so many excellencies, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. These are the examples of his achievements. And after all, he got a great civilian award, Bharat Ratna, which is a landmark field of achievements. My dear, not only he played Sehnai, but inspired the generation and generations. Once he said, I have only one thing to say, that teach your word how to play Sehnai. Words are very simple, my dear, but its effect is much more. How should we our children? What should be taught to them? And in what way we shall upgrade their morality? Any legends, any great soul, they have only one aim to upgrade the level of our thoughts and deeds. If we do something, if we sacrifice our life without any lust, certainly we enrich our nation in this way. So, certainly, my dear, we know that such a great personality always teaches a lot with his words and deeds. This very inspiring lesson teaches us that how to enrich our tradition, how to improve the thought of the people. We try to enrich ourselves only materialistically, but apart from that, we have our divine path that we should enrich it spiritually. If we are enriched in it, our nation can go far ahead. So, need not to say that why such personalities are very important for nation. And I hope you would be just like them. My dear, who knows that there is a great scientist among you, there is a good social worker among you, there is a great agricultural scientist among you who will come forward and support the nation. My dear, our nation is highly affected with brain drain. As a teacher, I don't like such a person who receives a lot of things here and only in lust of money they migrate. I don't like to discuss this point here much more, but my only request is if you are able in any respect, first of all, you should give your own nation as a priority and should do a lot. My dear, nowadays the world is living in fear, the fear of death, fear of certain disease that has come in the form of pandemic. My dear, we should not get frightened from this fear because we all are Amritsya Putra. Who will kill us? We shall not die. We shall remain forever. Only our bodies die. Our souls remain the same. So, without being frightened, we must come forward and always think Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And I have only one slogan by which I would like to conclude my expression, that is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyanti, Ma Kasya Dukbhag Bhavet. Thank you, my dear. We shall get together next day. Thank you.